Welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah.
This is episode 10. Can you believe it, Sarah? 10 episodes.
Wow, time flies. It's so great to be here with all our listeners.
It really is. Today we have a very interesting topic. We're going to talk about life balance.
Ooh, life balance. That sounds important.
It is. So, Sarah, what do you think of when you hear the words life balance?
Well, the word balance makes me think of standing on one foot and not falling over.
Exactly. It's about not falling over in your life, too. It means having enough time for all the important things.
Right. Not too much of one thing and not too little of another.
You got it. Think about your day. You have school, you have homework, you have time to play with friends, time with your family, and time to just rest. Life balance is about making sure all those parts fit together nicely.
Like pieces of a puzzle.
That's a great way to put it. Or imagine you're holding a plate. On that plate, you have school, friends, hobbies, and rest. You have to hold it carefully so nothing falls off.
Oh, I see. So a hobby is something you like to do for fun, right? Like drawing or playing soccer.
Exactly. And rest is when you relax and let your body and mind have a break. All these things are important.
That makes sense.
So why do we even need to think about this? Why is balance so important?
That's a good question. I guess if you only did homework all day every day, you would get really tired.
Right. You would feel very stressed. Stressed is that worried feeling you get when you have too much to do.
Yeah, I don't like feeling stressed. And my brain would feel full.
Totally. Your brain needs a break. But what about the other way around? What if you only played video games all day and never did your homework?
Oh, that would be bad too. I wouldn't learn anything, and my teacher would not be happy.
Exactly. So having balance helps us stay healthy and happy. When you do your schoolwork, play with friends, and get enough sleep, you have more energy.
Energy is that feeling of being able to run and play and think clearly.
Perfect definition, Sarah. A balanced life gives you the energy to do all the things you love and all the things you need to do. It helps you feel good, not stressed or tired.
So it's about feeling good. I like that.
So the big question is, how do we find this balance? It can be tricky sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes it feels like there isn't enough time for everything.
I know that feeling, but I have a few simple tips that can help. My first tip is to make a schedule.
A schedule? You mean like a plan for the day?
Exactly. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can just write down, after school, I will do homework for 1 hour. Then I will play outside for 1 hour.
Ah, a to-do list.
Yes, a to-do list is a great tool. It helps you see where your time is going, and it makes sure you have time for both work and play.
I like that idea. What's the second tip?
The second tip is to have hobbies. We mentioned this word before. It's so important to do things just because you enjoy them. What are some of your hobbies, Sarah?
I love reading books, and I also like to go for walks in the park and look at the birds. It helps me relax.
Those are wonderful hobbies. They're perfect for giving your brain a break from schoolwork. My hobby is playing the guitar.
That's so cool.
It is fun. Okay, tip number 3 is to spend time with family and friends.
Oh, that's a very important one.
It is. Talking and laughing with people you love is a big part of a balanced life. It makes you feel happy and connected.
I agree. I love playing board games with my family.
Me too. Board games are the best. And that brings us to the last and maybe the most important tip. Don't forget to rest.
Rest? You mean like sleeping?
Yes, getting enough sleep is super important. But rest can also mean just having some quiet time. No TV, no phone, just sitting and relaxing.
Just being quiet.
Yep. Your body and brain need that quiet time to recharge, just like a battery, so you have energy for the next day.
A schedule, hobbies, friends and family, and rest. I can remember that.
So, to wrap things up, life balance is all about mixing different activities in your day.
Right. A little bit of work, a little bit of play.
A little bit of time with others, and a little bit of time for yourself. It's the secret recipe for feeling happy and healthy.
I
like that.
A secret recipe.
So, for all our listeners out there, we have a little challenge for you. This week, try to think about your own plate. What's on it? Do you have a good balance?
Yeah, maybe you can even draw a picture of your balanced week. Draw your school, your hobbies, your friends, and your quiet time.
That is a fantastic idea, Sarah. Well, that's all the time we have for today on Everyday English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We hope you learned something new about life balance.
We'll be back next time with another fun topic. Until then, find your balance.
Bye.